Welcome to Hydrogen on the Go. Learn how to optimize your fleet and realize guaranteed fuel savings and immediate ROI, all with zero compromise. Our solution increases your bottom line immediately. Expect 15 to 30% fuel savings, guaranteed by a 10% minimum savings pledge. Achieve ROI in under 1 year, driven by structural fuel reductions and tax depreciation. Plus, a 50 to 90% drop in emissions cleans engines and reduces long-term maintenance. The mechanics of profitability involve a low amperage draw and a 3x patented plate design. Distilled water is converted to HHO gas via electrolysis for direct intake injection into your engine. Our system features simple installation and universal application. It allows for non-invasive mounting and seamless integration, working with virtually any diesel equipment. Experience a cleaner burn and maximum extraction. Supplemental hydrogen promotes a faster, more complete fuel burn, meaning you extract more energy from every drop of diesel. This reduces unburned hydrocarbons and cleans diesel engines from the inside out. We offer a written 10% savings guarantee, with typical real-world reductions hitting 15 to 17%. For a truck averaging 100,000 miles annually, this represents a significant reduction in operational costs. Results will vary based on engine type, load weight, and driving habits. Slash emissions by over 50%, with up to a 90% NOx reduction proven in diesel conversions. You will also experience extended DPF and filter life. Leverage massive tax incentives to substantially reduce the net cost of equipment. Section 179 allows you to expense up to $2,560,000 of qualifying equipment. 168K bonus depreciation offers a 100% write-off, providing massive first-year tax benefits. Enjoy zero-risk deployment with a 100% money-back guarantee, covering 50% of the negotiated product cost. This is backed by minimum guaranteed fuel savings and creates multiple layers of financial protection when combined with Section 179 tax deductions. Our versatile technology allows you to scale across your entire fleet, including semis, generators, and pumps. It works with any diesel engine and is ready for fleet operators, construction, agriculture, and emergency power systems. Join the diesel evolution. Move from the status quo fleet, which faces rising fuel costs and heavy carbon buildup, to the hydrogen fleet. Benefit from 15 to 30% guaranteed fuel savings, internal engine cleaning, 100% year one write-offs, and a 100% money-back guarantee. Start saving now. Get started today, and let us run the ROI calculation for your exact fleet.